PigglesDiGaijin, Jamaican YouTuber, talking about how the Olympics in Tokyo might not be a vibesy affair. PigglesDiGaijin, Jamaican YouTuber. Ikibasho! The good thing then. Hey! The good thing then. Hey! Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, please remember to subscribe, hit the like button and comment down below. So why am I making a video like this right now? 1 year before the actual Olympics. When it's too late to change, too late to apologize. This is why. I went to the IAAF World Relay Games in Yokohama. How do you know what country I supported? I don't know. I don't know. How do you know I'm Jamaican? It's not like I have it written all over my body or have a flag in my house. How do you know I'm Jamaican? Right, so I went to support the Jamaican team. We're here to talk about the atmosphere and the whole running of the world relays, which might be a precursor or rehearsal for the Olympics next year in Tokyo. Now, first of all, the stadium was beautiful. Big, clean, nice. Perfect, great. Japan got that on point. Going to the ticket styles, smooth, seamless. And they know how to tolerate crowds in Japan, so I'm not worried about that. What I am worried about is the vibes. Now, coming from a place, a little island called Jamaica, where we have a high school boy and girl championships, which is world renowned as probably the best high school track meet in the world, rivaled only by the Olympics. And maybe not even the Olympics have vibes like that little stadium they hold with the Jamaicans there running around representing their schools. People from around the world come to watch our athletes perform and recruit them for their various universities. Trust me. Trust me. I come to Japan and I say, okay, big stadium, cool. About 15 Jamaicans were sitting with me and other Jamaican pockets were around the stadium. Cool. When the race was about to start, the place was dead silent. Now, if you know in Japan, everything has to be done in order. When you live in Japan, the Japanese are very orderly. Now, this quiet was the quietest thing me ever hear in my life. I could hear my thoughts. The way the place quiet, when I was thinking, I thought I was talking out loud. I could hear the person beside me breathing, and the person was a slim person, so them have the shorter problem. Like, I could have heard the person from across the other side of the stadium. I asked the girl beside him for her phone number. That is how quiet the place was. It was like I was in a vacuum, a nothingness. Fine, it's quiet, cool. Respect for the start. When the race started, boom, go off. Yay! Go. Mr. Wait, hold on. Where are we? This is not a tea ceremony, Japan. This is not a graduation at a university, Japan. Where that I go? This is not no sushi making, Japan. Where that I go? This is not no office job, Japan. Where that I go? This is a relay, a final at that, where teams are running and need support. Where this I go? Yeah. Where that I go? And to top it all off, you had to remain seated. Where sit down and go? Sit down where? How? When my team Jamaica around me, we sit down and watch race? Listen, I don't think you understand what was taking place in the place. Jamaicans had to be sitting down while cheering on people running a race. Where that I go? I have never seen this anywhere in my life. This is not a tennis match. It's not a chess match. So the Japanese sat down and cheered very loudly. When we done make noise, the camera always came back to our section of Jamaicans and the Jamaican section around because we were just lively and having a good time. The Japanese, when the dance cam go to them, this is exactly what they were doing. Where that I go? The vibe's not right. We can't have this. It's supposed to be a carnival-like affair. It's supposed to be, I guess each country has their own style, but Jesus, Japan, you no better wake up, because when you don't want loud, on the train, when you're drunk, when you're having a football game or a baseball game and basketball game, oh no loud till it can't done. So where this silence procession I go, like it's a funeral, not a funeral, a funeral, because even Jamaican funerals are more lively than this. But the point is, Japan, in the Olympics, me are begging you, I am imploring you to put down your Japanese ways of being proper for the outside world and cheer on your team. Be loud and vociferous. Enjoying yourself, man. Show we say enjoying yourself, no? It was so funny that the Japanese persons around us, I had to tell them before, hey, right now, there's gonna be a lot of noise right here. Urusai desu. Kono tokoro wa urusai tokoro desu sumimasen. Ochama shimashita. I was like telling them, hey, expect loud noise. Me, I'm a vuvuzela. See me, I go around. When Jamaica go around the flag, I say, one girl, run girl. That's how I was behaving. Like, I was at champs. Yeah, man, hear that. Even my friends got annoyed and they actually broke one of the vuvuzelas. Yeah, they get annoyed after a while, but I didn't care because I was celebrating and cheering on my country, and that was how I just felt really proud of the Jamaicans. Although we're not going to talk about the performances, but yeah. In closing, friends, if you are coming to Olympics, please be prepared to be seated during any race that takes place. There will be no standing up because there will be an usher there to tell you, sumimasen, I know, sumimasen. Could you? I don't know what it's like. He might tell me I must see Jenna Bongs because I can't sit down. He might tell me to sit down when me pay my 65,000 yen next year or my 130,000 yen, which is which is 1,300 US or 650 US dollars to watch a final event. Oh no, can't get me. If sit down for that, you know. So police have to go take me out. I'm gonna record it because I want to see what's happening. But hold on, what? Oh, you need to understand that Japanese are very considerate of other persons. So you don't need to stand up. If you stand up, everyone has to stand up. So everyone sit down, okay. And daijoubu kedo, maybe one use quiet maybe. I cares not if it's the Japanese way of consideration. Or if we free up the thing and celebrate all the vibes. Jamaica! Alright, so if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If not, I don't know why you wouldn't like the video. So comment down below, how do you think the Olympics are going to be? What type of vibes? And the ticket them go fast, but we can't get it because it's by raffle. And the system for log on, one bag of stress. Yeah, I'm done. But I really don't know what Japan praying because let me tell you, fam, they don't even understand themselves. Because I don't plan to not cheer when Jamaica collect the gold medal in the 100-meter women's and the 400-meter women. You know what I mean? Yeah.